Hey, this is Joe Jackson with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, here to show you a almost new, pre-enjoyed 2018 Azimut 50 Fly. One owner, we just traded it in, and boat is in exceptional condition. Length overall is 52 feet 7 inches. It's 15.3 beam, just under 60,000 pounds, powered by a pair of Volvo 675 diesel inboards. The boat also has a bow thruster and has a hydraulic swim platform. It's set up with 3 staterooms plus a crew, and now we're going to go on through the boat inside. Come on in. So we're in the aft cockpit of the 50, and that's one of the largest things on the Azimut line. As you can tell, the bridge is very large. You got a long stanchion here, extends the whole aft deck area, gives you nice sunshade here, but extends the bridge length quite a bit longer than all of our competitors up top. You have an ice maker here. You got the stern winches on each side. It's got access to the crew right here. You can see a very nice, comfortable U-shaped couch back here, as well as a nice wooden table. It's got a chiller. Another nice feature on the Azimuts is a gradual incline up to the bridge, not a ladder or not a straight up set of stairs. Very high quality stainless steel here around the door. Tons of storage as well on this boat. If you look down the side, you can see how wide, and this boat has the full teak package. Salon of the 2018 50 Azimut. This one has the optional upgrade pull-out bed. So this table has an electronic switch. You can raise it up or down, and then it's got a bed here. You've got tons of storage under both this cushion and this cushion. You have a pop-up TV here. This one has the upgraded Bose surround sound system. Over here you see this is where your glassware is stored. All secured neatly. You get your sound system here. This is the preferred Galley Up package. The Galley Up gives you refrigerator, convection oven, 4-burner stove, lots more storage here with trash. The window opens here on the port side, as well as over at the starboard side. The one thing you can always notice about an Azimut is how big the windows are. Great visibility. Dual helm seat, very nice. Have captain and the first mate sitting right beside each other. This has the upgraded Zenta joystick. Of course, tilt wheel, the Volvo controls, autopilot. It's got the quick chain counter. That's at both stations, upstairs and down. Seakeeper stabilization is on this boat. An extra depth, and then you of course got the dual screen Raymarine glass screens, really nice setup. Also 2 more screens up top. Remote control spotlight. Got your air vents right here, and then you've got forward ones across the front for defrost. Windshield wipers, large wipers with washers. So if you're driving from below, your shore power panel is here below. So you have your 12 volt and your 110. So as I was mentioning, the Galley Up design upstairs, what that allows you to do is then here have another fridge, washer dryer combo, lots of storage down inside here. Storage and access panels where you can get in and out. You can see here shelving here, so you got 4 more shelves, air vent there, a light here and here. along with the washer and dryer. So it's great access here. So now I'm up in the VIP area of the 50, and you can see all the storage here. Again, another big window and an opening porthole as well. Nice lights to read by at nighttime. Just tons of storage. You got 2 lockers on each side, plus you have all this storage underneath the bed. Nice big hanging locker there. Another storage shelf area there. Behind this door, you have access, private entryway into the forward berth. From the forward berth to the forward head. And then right in here, on this wall, you again have the Bose sound system and TV here. So this is your day head or your guest head. Separate shower and sink. This is the 3rd stateroom for the 2018 Azimut 50 Fly. So it's got bunks. You got TV at each bunk. You also have a huge closet here. Great if you got kids, great if you got a 5th person or 6th person to go along, or just use it for plenty of storage. So if you're doing the Bahama trip, you got plenty of room for waters and tools and extra stuff that you might want to have. So now we're in the master stateroom on the 2018 50 Fly Azimut. Full beam master here, big windows. Again, another opening porthole, that's an option. Reading lights. You got 4 storage shelves and a drawer there, but lots of nice areas there for clothing and a shower. Nice big vanity area there, big sink, more storage. Again, another window. Very nicely done. Now we're up on the bridge of the 2018 50 Azimut. Up here you have nice grill, storage, refrigeration up here. This has the hardtop option with manual sunroof. It's got port and starboard couches. Full height railing all the way around, safety for the kids. Large dinette area, sun lounge, stereo. Again, the dual Ray Marine screens, Zimta joystick package. Storage up front for covers, right in front of the helm. Out front here you've got the remote control spotlight, automatic windlass. You can see real high rails out front, so if you're working a mooring ball, or it's just a lot safer. Huge sun pads. One really nice feature is the walk-through on the bow. So you have not only a little seating area where you can sit, you also have your big sun pad, but it makes it easy getting from one side of the boat to the other without stepping all over covers and cushions. But extremely well designed boat. You got a 50-foot boat with a 20-some foot bridge. Again, with a 15.3 beam, so it's the largest bridge on a 50-foot boat in the industry. Thank you again for taking a walkthrough through our 2018 Azimut 50 Fly. I'm Joe Jackson with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. Joe.Jackson at MarineMax.com, or our number here at 910-256-8100 for the MarineMax Yacht Center. Thank you so much.